Hey, Artist Found team here, back with another Lightroom tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about how to install your presets in Lightroom Creative Cloud, better known as Lightroom CC and Lightroom Mobile. This is super easy and quick to do, but before we get into the video, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when we release another Lightroom tutorial video. First, you need to sign into your Adobe account. This will allow the presets to sync to any mobile devices. Also, you will need to unzip. Have the zip file your presets came in when you downloaded them before you start. You can still locate them in the navigation pane. We will show you in a second, and unzip them then too, but for convenience, it's simplest to unzip them now before you start, and then proceed with the following steps. If you want your presets to sync to a Lightroom CC, first you need to double-check verify that you are signed into your Lightroom Creative Cloud account. If you work in Lightroom Classic Creative Cloud, it's all good. To sync your mobile devices and load your presets into those devices, you'll need to work in Lightroom Creative Cloud. Click the cloud icon in the upper right-hand corner of Lightroom CC. You'll be able to see that you are signed in. Then, click the Edit icon, which will put up the Edit sidebar, and scroll down to the bottom right-hand side to the Presets tab. Click the Presets tab to open up the Presets sidebar. Go back to the top of the Presets sidebar. Do you see the three little dots? Click on that and then click on Load Presets. Now you are in a navigation pane. Then you need to know where you've previously saved your presets. When you download presets, they come in a zip file. As we've mentioned earlier, you will need to unzip your downloaded presets zip file. It's convenient to save them on your desktop. Once you've accessed that zip file of downloaded presets, it's time to select the presets you want to install. There should be two folders. Either folder will work in Lightroom CC, so open up one of the folders, select all the presets, then go to the bottom of the pane and click Import Presets. You're almost done. After you import presets, you will see the presets on the right-hand side of the Lightroom CC pane. They are now installed in Lightroom Desktop CC. Now, whenever you are signed into your Adobe Creative Cloud account, your presets will sync to your mobile devices within minutes. Okay, you've got your presets loaded into Lightroom Desktop CC. You're signed into your Adobe Creative Cloud account, and your presets are synced. Now you need to know where to find your presets on your mobile device. Start by opening up the app. Now open up an image that you want to apply your presets to. You see the icons across the bottom of the app? Scroll right until you see the presets icon, and your presets are all there, ready to select and apply to this or any other image you choose. Now your Lightroom CC desktop presets are available on your mobile device. Don't see the presets in the app? No worries. Sometimes it takes several minutes for syncing, so you may have a short wait. But then the presets should be loaded into the app and ready to use. And it's that easy. If you got value out of this Lightroom tutorial video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when we release another Lightroom tutorial video. Thanks for watching.